In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Wyze app. This app is essential if you want to control your Wyze cameras and smart devices. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To begin, open your App Store. If you're on an Android device, you'll want to head over to the Google Play Store. For iPhone or iPad users, the App Store is where you need to be. This is your first step towards transforming your home into a smarter space. Now, once you have your App Store open, you'll need to search for the Wyze app. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll type in Wyze Make Your Home Smarter, or simply just Wyze. This step is crucial because it helps you find the correct app amidst many others. After typing in the name, select the official Wyze app from the search results. Make sure it's published by Wyze Labs Incorporated. This ensures you're downloading the trusted app used to control Wyze cameras and smart devices. It's important to get the official app to ensure security and full functionality. Next up, it's time to install the app. If you're using an Android device, tap on Install. For those on an iOS device, you'll see a Get button. Tap that, then wait for the download to finish. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, so be patient. Now, here's an important note. The Wyze app may require a newer phone to run smoothly. Android users should have Android 10 or newer, and iOS users need iOS 16 or higher. If you're using an older device, you might not see the app in the store. This is because older devices might not support the app. Another crucial point to remember is about your Wi-Fi network. When setting up Wyze devices, you'll need to connect to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This network frequency is necessary for the initial setup of Wyze devices. Using the correct Wi-Fi ensures a smooth setup process. With that ready, you're now equipped with the knowledge to download and install the Wyze app effectively. Remember, having the app installed on your phone is the first step towards taking full control of your smart home devices. This app will make managing your home security and automation much more convenient. By following these steps, you're well on your way to enhancing your home with smart technology. Keep in mind the compatibility requirements and Wi-Fi setup, as these small details make a big difference. Thank you for joining me today. Now you're ready to explore all the features that the Wyze app offers. Enjoy making your home smarter and more secure.